All right, in this little video, we're going to talk about significant figures or sig figs. Now, this is a topic I really think is annoying, but we're going to simplify it a lot for this class. But let's talk what significant figures means. So significant figures, or sig figs, is how we will round, okay? So sometimes we're going to get really large numbers like 1,423,789 or really small numbers. We need to figure out how we will round and how many significant figures we will read. So sig figs means, are we going to go to 1423? Are we going to go to 14237 and then round? How do we know how much we're supposed to do? Now for the AP test, our rule will be 3 sig figs, okay? Most of the correct amount of sig figs will be between 2 to 4, and they usually let there be an error of sig figs with at least one significant difference. So that's why our rule will just be, we'll always go to 3 sig figs or significant figures. So I guess let's say I have this as an example, 1,423,789, and we should do a significant figure of 4, okay? Well, if it was supposed to be 4, I would do 1,424,000 as my answer. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures right here, okay? But for our class and our rule, we are going to always go to 3 sig figs. So really, this number should be, for our class, 101,420,000 as the answer. Okay, this would be 1, 2, 3 sig figs. Okay, if it was 2 sig figs, then it would just be 140,000. Okay, we can look at it as a very small decimal as well. How many significant figures should we do to round this? Okay, if we wanted to do 3 significant figures, we would write this as 0.001. Okay, 1, 2, 5. These zeros right here do not count as significant figures. These 3 digits will be the significant figures area. So for this one, we would go 0.00125. That would be 3 significant figures. Essentially, we're looking for always 3 numbers with the zeros following behind it, and or zeros following before it with 3 numbers afterwards. Okay, so just get in that habit. You're going to have calculations in your calculator, and you'll get like 1,245.69547. Okay, if you put this as your answer on the test, they're going to hate it. They're going to probably count it wrong because it's just too many significant figures. Rather, for this particular one, we'll do 1,250, and that would be a much more accepted answer. Okay, so they don't want to see all these extra digits, and we're going to go to 3 significant figures.